Jim McClellan is behind the wheel in the de-icer. Normally, he drives this piece of equipment.
It's about 65 foot long with about a 24-inch blade on the front to plow.
Jim and his co-workers at Field Maintenance are lining up for the annual winter operations drill. It's when crews take the snow removal equipment for a dry run on the airfield.
You have to have a lot of peripheral vision to make your lefts and rights, and it's the length of the vehicle, you got to be aware of the back end where that's going to in tight areas, making turns.
I'm the guy that tells them right to left, left to right, pinch it off.
Mike Shirk is leading crews for the drill. During winter operations, he is also usually the lead. He has 31 years on the job.
I get the big picture, you know, I could just see it. I got a plan of attack. Just getting in there and going don't get it out here because we're working with airplanes, you know. We're working with the tower and we're working through operations. There's a big thing to do about it. You better know where you're going.
This is video from a snowstorm last year with Mike Shirk leading the crews. As the first vehicle out, everyone relies on him.
First guy will be to the left, and I always told him, follow my leading tire, you know. So he'll follow my left tire. If I'm going left to right, he'll follow my right tire if I'm going right to left.
The whole crew does a job. It's just not the drivers, it's the operators, the laborers, everyone here contributes. It's enjoyable, you know, you're accomplishing something, you feel like you're doing something, keeping the airport open for the passengers and the airport.
I love it. I love it. This is just what I do.